Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenza TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 6, CS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Patrick Tito Maswanga.
Hola Steve! Hola Steve!
Come on.
Hola Steve, ngimnandi nje yami mnandi.
Yeah, ngimnandi.
Yami namhlanje sifikile itafula nje yami uyazi ukuthi nahlala phezulu so amagolethu egrand. Simnandi. Labafana mabaye job yakufuna benze njalo.
Yeah.
I-draw lesayidinga.
Yes.
And then lapho simnandi we are cruising nice Steve.
Semcruiser nice nice.
Siyakruza nice yazi.
Njengamakhosi. Simcruiser nice njengamakhosi.
Steve ya. Cruising nice, Steve. 6 goals, 6 points. Sasibala 6 manje. 3 times 3 manje. Sasibala 3-3 manje. So 6 goals, 3.3 manje. Sasibala 3 manje.
Came of the measure, man.
Yes, naye president Steve. Yes, Steve. Lo mfana ngathi udlala nge PlayStation Steve. Yes. Uyale party le ngathi ibox le.
Yeah.
Mawuphasela yena vele ufuna upress triangle.
Yeah.
Lo mfana ukuthi ungakuphi lo mfana. Wena nje press triangle lo mfana uzovela and then finish up now uzibonele Steve. Si 3x3.
Uthi udlala ngathi
PlayStation Steve. Uyayazi.
Lo mfana uyirobo.
Umkhumbuza umfundo vila ka.
Lo mfana uyirobo.
Steve mamela Steve man. Mawazi PlayStation une box une star une PlayStation no 0 lo mfana umphasi ngo 0. Ufuna ufaka i-triangle.
Ngiyakubanga.
Mawufuna nje umfuke ngifuna i-triangle.
Ngiyakubanga.
Triangle Mthibo uzomthola phakathi. Sisonke
happiness.
Ama-fans sisonke Steve Mas.
Yeah.
Simnandi once and always.
Thank you for
the experience. Bekumnandi kakhulu as a first fan attend Ipola. I enjoyed. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sister.